Hi folks, this is Sahil Sethi from TechTube. In this video, we're going to show you how to flash MIUI version 6 and root it on the Xiaomi Redmi 1S. For this, you're gonna need three things: the ROM, the TWRP recovery, and the Google Apps. Download them and save them into your SD card. Now open the Updater app, press the menu button, select Update Package option. Now navigate to the folder where the recovery was saved at. Select it, then press Update, then press Start Update. Now flashing the ROM. Again go into the Updater app, press the menu button, but this time select Reboot into Recovery. This will take you into the TWRP recovery. Now before flashing the recovery, it is recommended that you backup your current ROM by pressing the backup button. I'm not gonna do it because I've already done that. Now to restore to that previous ROM, press the restore button and select the backup. Now for flashing the ROM, now press install. Navigate to the root folder where the ROM was saved at. Mine is in the SD card. Select it and swipe to confirm flash. Now press the home button, then select wipe and swipe to factory reset. This will clear all your data. Now go back and press reboot. It will ask you if you want to install Super SU. Swipe to confirm. This will not root your device. It will just install the app to the device. We'll root it later in the video. The first boot up takes a little bit of time. Don't panic and wait for it to boot. Let's finish all the setting up. Here's a Redmi with the MIUI version 6. As you can see, there are no Google Apps. They have to be manually installed. Now to install the Google Apps, open the Explorer, go to the folder where they were saved. And start by installing Google Device Framework. Press Allow. Then install Account Manager. Then Play Services. Then Play Store. Then Gmail app. Now it should work. Let's sign in and install an app to test it. Let's try WhatsApp. It is working. So now let's root the device. Open the Super SU app. Press TWRP. This will download the required files. Press continue and your device will be rooted once it boots up. Now let's download Root Checker to confirm root access. So it is now rooted. Everything's working out of the box in this ROM. Camera, dual SIM also works. It can be easily used as your daily driver. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.